Hi friends, this is Mobin. Today I will demonstrate how to assemble MC4 connector. This is my toolbox and my MC4 crimping tool which I bought from AliExpress, and this is solar DC cable which is 6 square mm tint copper 6 square mm cable, and this is MC4 connector, male MC4 connector and female MC4 connector. Okay, now take the 6 mm square tin copper cable and just remove the insulation. By using a wire stripper. Okay, now we can crimp the MC4 metal contact. First, place the MC4 metal contact in the MC4 crimping tool. Then take the cable and put into the MC4 metal contact. Okay, then press the MC4 crimping tool. Okay, now got it's look fine. Okay, this is male MC4 connector, so I am removing the end cap. I want to place this female metal contact into the MC4 connector. So first I insert the cap and seal. Okay, then plug the male MC4 connector. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, now I'm tightening the MC4 end cap. Then I want to check the tightness by using MC4 wrench. Okay, now male MC4 connector cable is ready. It's work fine. Now I want to assemble female MC4 connected to this cable. This is solar DC cable. So just remove the insulation. This much. This is tint copper 6 square mm cable. Insert the cap. Okay, then plastic seal. After it, rubber seal. Okay, after insulating, remove the insulation of cable. Now I want to crimp the male MC4 metal contact. Okay, now I just placed the male MC4 metal contact into the crimping tool. Okay, I check, it's fine. Okay, after I press the MC4 crimping tool. Okay, now I check tights. It's fine. Yeah, it's good contact. Okay, now I connect the male MC4 metal contact 2 into the female MC4 connector. Okay, now check the tights. It's contact. Okay, it's fine. Okay, now I connect the end cap. Okay, it's look fine. After tight, check the tightness by using MC4 wrench. Okay, now I will check the continuity of MC4 connector cable. Okay, this is male and female. Okay, now I just put the male MC4 connector into the female connector. Yeah, okay, it's look fine. It's perfect. Now I disconnecting the MC4 connector by using MC4 wrench. Yeah, simply disconnect. Okay, again I plug male into female. Okay, now I take the other terminals of the cables to check the continuity by using fluke clamp meter. It's model 362. Okay, now I will select continuity mode. Okay, now I will check continuity by using the text probe. Okay, it shows 0.2 ohms. Okay. This is MC4 wrench. This is MC4 branch connector. It's female and it's male. This is MC4 fuse connector. This is MC4 diode connector, forward blocking diode. This is my MC4 crimping tool, and it's I bought from AliExpress, and this can crimp cables from 2.5 mm square to 6 square mm. See, this is first, it's 2.5 mm square cable can crimp, next 4 square mm, next 6 square mm cable can crimp. This is MC4 line connector. It's male MC4 connector and the female MC4 line connector. MC4 means multi-contact and 4 means 4 millimeter. So MC4 stands for multi-contact 4 millimeter. This is a MC4 line connector. It's to interconnecting the panels, solar panels together. This is female metal crimp or metal contact, and it's another is male metal contact or metal crimp. So we connecting the both male and female. Now disconnecting. The important point in the MC4 connectors is the male metal contact is plugged into the female MC4 connector, and the female metal contact plug into the male MC4 connector. This is virtually look like male MC4 connector and the female metal contact, and another is female MC4 connector virtually look like female MC4 connector. Okay, but the male contact, metallic contact is male. This metal crimp is male. So now I am disconnecting the virtually look like male MC4 line connector. First I remove the end cap. Okay, now I am removing the seal, two type seal, plastic seal and rubber seal. Okay, now the female metal contact or metal crimp, and this is male MC4 connector. Look like, virtually look like male MC4 connector. Okay, now I am deassembling the female, look like female, deassembling the MC4 connector. First removing the end cap and the seals. This is rubber seal and the male metal contact or metal crimp, and the female MC4 connector look like, virtually look like female MC4 connector. See, there is 5 parts. First one is end connector or an end cap, then plastic seal and rubber seal, then the metal contact, then the connectors nose. Okay, again I am assembling the MC4 connector. Okay, now I am plugging the MC4 connector. Okay, now I am disconnecting, again plugging. Now I am unplugging the MC4 connector using MC4 range. Yeah, just unplug. Okay, now the MC4 fuse connector, this is 15 amps MC4 fuse connector. Now I am deassembling the MC4 fuse connector by using MC4 range. It can be used for short circuit protection in strings, PV strings or arrays. Okay, now you can see a PV fuse link. It is rated 15 amps and 1000 volt PV fuse link. Okay, I am assembling the MC4 fuse connector. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.